In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Utra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Now choose clock icon at the top on the left. Following that, to manage alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. When you finished, go back, and to add your alarm, select this plus icon. Then set up an hour. If you wish to use this alarm just once, you can click on this switcher next to delete after it goes off. If you wish to use it repeatedly, click on repeat and tap on the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can select days of the week and save them by choosing OK. Then tap on ringtone. Pick one of those options like fireflies, or select all ringtones at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on one of your songs from your smartphone. Then click on Apply. If you want to, you can also click on all ringtones and tap on Choose a local one. Then pick one of those sources and select any song from here. Click on Allow in any pop-ups. In order to save your song, click on Save at the top right corner. Then click on the Back button. Finally, you can click on Label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on OK and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations. Then click on the top right corner to save your alarm. Select Allow one more time. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then picking one of those options. If you want to switch it back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. You can also edit your alarm by clicking on it and selecting Additional Settings. Now make your changes and discard them by tapping on X at the top left corner, or save them by selecting checkmark at the top right one. In order to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!